There's an African proverb that says, "Food you will not eat, you do not boil." It's applicable to African leaders who have a penchant for snubbing their health facilities and flying miles away at whim to have their mysterious ailments treated. They leave behind a failed public health system where citizens bear the brunt. Hospitals lack drugs, poor infrastructure, doctors have poor remuneration packages, and nurses can go for months without receiving their salaries. Talking about the leader's ill health is an offense and forbidden in some countries, which can attract punishment. But why do African leaders conceal their health status?
I assure you and Nigerians that we will not relent in our efforts to secure.
Since he took office in 2015, President Muhammadu Buhari's health has been a sticking point to his countrymen. He has traveled to the UK severally for frequent medical checks, and in 2017, he stayed in London for several months while being treated for an undisclosed ailment. Officials had initially announced that the trip was a short vacation that would include routine medical tests. His long absence led his citizens to speculate about his health, with his handlers being accused of a non-disclosure of the situation. This prompted Buhari to send an assuring audio message in a feeble voice from London that all was well. He even posted photographs of himself meeting Nigerian officials there to prove he was alive, although he looked much thinner and frail.
Lie. Good afternoon. We are all over the place.
Upon his return to Nigeria, he claimed that he was not sick.
Well, you have seen me. I hope you saw me when I was going. Use your sense of judgment. Thank you.
During one of his trips to London, Buhari was treated for an ear infection, according to government officials. This angered critics who wondered why such a simple ailment couldn't be treated at the Special Presidential Hospital, State House Clinic, the best in the country. At one time, social media was awash with a bizarre rumor that the president had a clone or body double to fool Nigerians that all was well, yet he was actually dead.
Somebody assumes that I am cloned. It's really me, I assure you.
Nigeria's opposition People's Democratic Party spokesperson Kola has previously urged the president to disclose his health condition. He urged him to step down on medical grounds. Nigerians' fears are based on past experience when officials close to former President Umaru persistently lied to the public and other government officials that he was in good shape, yet his health was failing. Yaradua would disappear for months to seek medical treatment for an undisclosed ailment. His predecessor, Olusegun Obasanjo, at one time called him live on national television to inquire whether he was dead. Everyone heard Yaradua's laughter and his reply that he was alive. On being questioned about his health status upon returning from one of his many medical trips, he at one time challenged his critics to a game of squash in an endeavor to end speculations about his health. He died in office, leaving a power vacuum that caused a constitutional crisis. His inner circle clung to power and sought to prevent the then Vice President Goodluck Jonathan from acting as president.